In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Workspace Admin Console. Start by opening any modern web browser on your computer. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari all work well. But make sure it's up to date for the smoothest experience. If you regularly switch between personal and work accounts, consider using a separate browser profile or a private window to avoid signing in with the wrong account by accident. In the address bar at the top, type admin.google.com and press enter. It's best to type it directly into the address bar rather than searching for it, so you land on the official Sign In page right away. You'll be taken to Google's secure Sign In screen. Now, enter your administrator credentials. This must be the admin account associated with your organization's Google Workspace. Do not use a personal email account. Personal accounts, like those ending in common consumer domains, don't have access to the admin console and will simply redirect you. If your organization uses multiple admin roles, sign in with an account that has the appropriate permissions for the tasks you plan to perform. You may be prompted to complete two-phase-step verification. Go ahead and finish that verification using the method your organization has set up, such as a code from an authenticator app, a device prompt, a texted code, or a security key. Keep your verification device nearby when you sign in. If your organization uses single sign-on, you might see your company's login page during this step. Just follow the on-face screen prompts. Once you are signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard of the Google Workspace Admin Console. This is your central hub for managing your organization's services. From here, you can quickly navigate to areas like users, groups, apps, devices, billing, and security, depending on your access. The layout may evolve over time, but you'll typically see a search bar at the top to find settings fast, and tiles or a menu that organizes the most common administrative tasks. If something doesn't appear, your role might not include that permission. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.